You know, I would tell you, and I think most financial planners would say that life insurance, it all should not be associated with your employer, because life insurance is something that you're going to want to keep. You're not going to want to pay into it for 6 months, drop it, and then start over again with somebody else. Typically, when you leave an employer, your life insurance that you have with them goes away. It's not portable. So if you have a $500,000 life insurance policy with your employer and you quit your job and move someplace else, you've lost that investment. I would tell you to talk to a financial planner, talk to a life insurance person, and get a whole life policy that builds cash value and keep it. Because these are usually term life policies, and they go away when you leave the company.